I paid for the 1 month of this Jimny, 1.6 million, which is this money. I prepare very funny for you. But very interesting thing, you can count this. They have also the card reader. Can you imagine? He come with your own card reader to your house. Yo, what's up? How you doing today? Today is the special vlog about how to rent the car in Bali. Today I will talk more about this car and other cars, trusted rental companies and stuff like this. And after that, let's see what day is gonna bring us. We have some dinner date today with Winnie in the plans. Also maybe I will show you a little bit of the daily life, how it's going to be living in Bali, and normal where to eat, what to do, probably in Sanur area. Check this out. Waiting, meanwhile I have to wait for the delivery of the car because they're gonna deliver just to me. My car is arrived, which is this beautiful Katana Jimny, and check this out. This is the guy. Come.
Hi. Hey bro, how are you?
Yo, what's up? So this is a legit company. They have a registered. You are registered, right?
Yeah.
So as you can see, the papers all is over here. I just quickly gonna show you the car. He have to fill the papers. You know how is it? This one is little bit better condition than I get the last one because nice seat and everything. Very nice. I just need to also check how it looks, the condition, in case if something happened later. You know how is it, guys? So very nice. And yeah, later I will tell you how is the prices and everything. So we are just about the payment, the car, yeah, which is I paid for the 1 month of this Jimny, 1.6 million, which is this money. I prepare very funny for you. But very interesting thing, you can count this. They have also the card reader. Can you imagine? He come with your own card reader to your house and it's delivered to your house. We live in Sanur, yeah. And the company is based where? In Canggu, yeah?
Yeah, Canggu.
Alright.
Eco Beach, bro.
Eco Beach. Big thumb up. Just arrived to having lunch because it's already 2 o'clock. I didn't have a lunch because I was waiting for the guy. So that's how it looks, the Jimny. This is the restaurant. I will go and show you the place. However, I want to share a few words about the Jimny. I'm just parked now, so don't worry, I'm safe, because I know as some people complain as you hold the camera while driving. No, I'm just parked right now, and if so, this is the one place to park touch the camera, or I will put somewhere on the window on special holders, so all is good. Meanwhile, I ran this car, this Jimny, for 1 entire month, and I paid 1.6 million rupiah, which is about 120 US, something like. I will put on the screen somewhere how much is it. This is the special price due to the current situation. You know what is it? Low demand, not many people around, so I just got this price. This is not any kind of paid endorsement. I didn't got a special price or for free or something just because I make a video about that. Please don't think like that. I always pay for everything. However, today's vlog, I just want to show you how to rent the car, what you saw before. This is the very good reputable company from Canggu. I'm not sure actually what's the name, Eco Beach, Canggu, something like that. If you're interested, anyway, you can comment below. This car, this Jimny, is very good condition. It's super cool, dope car. As you know, watch my video. I ran the one Jimny about a week ago, so I decided to rent this for a month because of the weather. It's not so good nowadays. It's quite windy. Also, I'm planning to travel a little bit more about Bali, around the Bali, so it will be much safer to drive by car. As you know, we sold our Toyota Innova car just at the beginning of the year, so we decided to rent this car for this month. Let's see how is it. Car is really nice condition. I really like the car. Quickly, so this car costs 1.6 million. If you prefer to rent some smaller cars like Toyota Agya, I'm looking for something. This is Suzuki Baleno. This car like this, it's made cost about 3.54 million per month. This Honda Jazz. If you're looking to rent the Fortuner, which is there, the price will be about 6, 7, 8 million per month, depends on what year. If you're looking for rent Daihatsu, which is like this one I show you, per month, this is like something like Toyota RAV4 in Europe. It can cost you about 3, 4, 5 million per month. Also depends of the year. So basically the cars per day, it's starting 150k a day for Jimny like this, and then 200 250 for small car like Toyota Agya. or something like this, depends if you use manual or automatic. This is obviously manual because this is quite old car, as you can imagine. And so on and so on. So basically, if you wanna have some modern car, you have to take a budget for about 3-4 million per month. Also, like famous Avanza or Xenia, this is about 3-4 million, depends of the transmission and depends of the model of the year. The older will be obviously a little bit cheaper. I think that's it about renting the car in Bali. It's already about 5 minutes of video. Now I will have a lunch in Sanur in Warung Kecil, which is this one, and I think I will have something like nasi campur. I don't know, I really want to eat something local, so stay tuned. So this is the food. Today is little bit small selection because it's already afternoon. Probably I'm gonna get satay and chicken. Yeah, today is little bit late. I'm late.
Hi man.
How are you?
It's good.
Alright, nasi campur, yeah? Yeah, today. Because usually I taking the bikini panini, right?
Yeah.
But today nasi campur is okay. Kuning? Nasi kuning? So I quickly show you around how it looks the place. This is brand new place in the bypass of Sanur. So highly recommended place. Also, you can find me quite often here if you're interested. Alright, here we go, my friend. This beautiful food over here and the Coke, 45,000 rupiah. Big thumb up. Alright, this is my car. I'm after lunch. Now I'm in Sanur. I have an appointment in 10 minutes for the haircut because my hair is so very bad. This is the place where I'm gonna have a haircut. I make a vlog once there, you can watch it. I will put on the link somewhere if you're interested. Meanwhile, I will have a quick walk around this area because, well, I have 10 minutes to kill the time. So that's how it looks. Here is the Ulu, best Thai Indonesian food. Cosmos Spa. Over there is the Paradise or Paradiso, Paradise I think. New place, new gym, cafe, stuff like this. Some of you guys asked me to show you that. Here also supposed to be a cafe shop, bar, restaurant. I don't remember the name, but was very nice. Unfortunately it's closed. There are some other restaurant, Takisa, stuff like this. And over here is the Paradise Bali, which is the cafe at the bottom, cafe restaurant, and the top is the gym, as you can see. That's how it looks, the situation. Okay, I will cross the street. I will show you a little bit how it looks over here. Check this out. Very nice spot, as you can see. Okay, unfortunately I have my appointment to having a barber because my hair already not so good. Alright, this is the right place for your hair. This is how Damian looked before, and see you after. Check this out. Okay, I will surprise them a little bit. I'm coming here regularly. That's how it looks. Hello. Hello, how are you?
I'm good, thank you.
I surprised you today, right? Alright, I'm having my haircut. Hendrix, not Jimmy.
Not Jimmy.
Not Jimmy. Check this out, his beautiful hairstyle. I asked him if I wanna have like that, but I have to wait maybe 6 months. Yeah, anyway, that's how it looks, the situation. Having coffee, it's so chilling. Also, Hendrix, Jimmy. I'm so sorry, mate. Do you have many customers today? It's busy, no? Yes?
Yes, just a little bit busy today.
Alright, so
yes.
Happy days. But in general, because as I can see, I'm only one customer here. So, Jimmy, Hendrix, I don't know. Because your name is Henry, right?
Yes.
Alright.
Hendrix.
So I wanna have a hairstyle like you have because you have a cool hair.
Yes.
Okay.
Like sexy, yeah?
Yeah, sexy. So many girls will look after me, you know? That's
Yes.
so good. Alright, see you after that. Let's see how's the gonna look situation.
It will be 156.
How much?
156.
Alright, so got my haircut, very worth the money. Here we go. And check this out. I think it's so cool and so sick. Do I look good?
Yes, sure.
Big stomach. Alright, got my haircut. I think I look so cool. I have a cool haircut. I have a cool ride right now. So happy today, happy day. Alright, I will just get inside my super cool ride. Oh. Okay guys, I think I will go now home, chill a little bit, because I don't know, I feel got like a headache and stuff like this. Later, that the vlog hasn't finished yet. Later we will have something with Winnie together, so stay tuned. Alright.
Alright, I just finished from work today. Honey, you use the light from your phone?
To show the car.
Oh my god.
Because
so...
Jimny have no light inside, but the car is really cool. I really like this car, I have to say, this is so cool. Honey, are you happy what I ran today?
Yes, so beautiful. Because you know, it's already rain in Sanur.
It's already raining,
oh my
actually.
god, and windy.
You can show them, honey. It's actually already windy.
Alright, so we will head to dinner today. Okay, see you there.
Alright, so this is our dinner date. We just arrived from the work, honey. How was your day, Sayang?
Oh my god, it's so tiring, and then I decided not to cook today. So yeah, it's raining also. So yeah, we decided to have a dinner in a brand new restaurant in Sanur, in Jalan Tanau, Tamblingan. Actually, this restaurant is just built 2 months ago. I mean, just opened for 2 months.
Yeah, they just opened 2 months ago. Meanwhile, we are waiting for the food. I'll show you a little bit of the restaurant because it's a brand new place, and maybe some of you are interested. Why not? This is how it looks, the restaurant. We have some tables. Hello! So, and it's a little bit rainy, but I quickly gonna show you outside how it looks. So this is the popular Pepito. This is our new car, Jimny, and this course of the restaurant is patio. Anyway, this is not any kind of paid endorsement. It was just yesterday over here for the coffee, and we decided this is the good idea to show you guys around. Okay, so our food arrived. Check this out. I will just change position.
Alright, so this one is the grilled tuna with the red rice,
nice.
With the vegetables. This one cost me 40k. Oh my god, it's very nice food and very nice price. It's not that pricey.
Yeah,
And
it's
then
just
you have, what you have, darling?
I have a great mahi-mahi with potato, but with sambal mata we will swap. I mean the
He
sauces.
doesn't like sambal mata.
And also, like I said, this is just next to the
Oh my
popular,
god,
which
how
is
good.
touristy area.
So
But
good.
nice
good.
prices. Emma, how it tastes?
So good. Smacznego.
Smacznego, sayang. Alright, so I just finished my food. Empty plate, so good. But my sayang seems like she have little bit problem to finishing, honey.
Oh my god, this is a very huge portion with the local price.
Very local
And then
price, I have to
it's
say.
very, I don't know what to say.
Big stamp up.
Highly recommended.
Alright, so we are after our
Dinner date today.
dinner date. You know, it's
Yeah.
always good to have a date, even.
Yeah, so it's raining, and this is on Jalan Tamblingan Sanur. I know that most of you used to stay here.
And as you can see behind us, this is actually, we are walking on the middle of the road.
Yes, exactly. Look,
And
we
yeah,
are walking in the middle of the road.
just behind us is Pepito Market, popular, however you call that, just if you are not familiar. So as you
Yeah,
can see,
so
it's
we are
really
walking,
quiet.
you know, like in the middle of the road to Puri Santrian Hotel and then South Sanur. Alright, so I think that's all our video today, guys.
Yeah.
And there is no shop open, only that restaurant. Thank you for watching.
And see you tomorrow, like always. See ya, take care.